Welcome back. New for you at noon. Governor Rick Scott is trying to ease Zika fears after last year's major outbreak right here in South Florida. Local 10 News reporter Madeline Wright is live in Doral to tell us what action he is now taking to prevent the spread this time around. Madeline?
Christy, health officials have been inside this building all day long sharing ideas on how to fight the Zika virus. Although the virus is not as big of a problem this year as it was last year, there's always a chance it could flare up again. So Governor Rick Scott says it's important that we all remain vigilant.
Solve the important problems.
County health officials and mosquito experts from all over the state face to face in the same room Monday to talk strategies for killing Zika-carrying mosquitoes.
They're a tough mosquito to kill.
Last year, South Florida was ground zero for the Zika virus, which is especially dangerous for pregnant women because it can cause birth defects. Governor Rick Scott says he set aside $61 million for prevention and preparedness.
I've talked to President Trump about this, to make sure the federal government's going to be our partner in this fight.
This year, things are looking better. So far, there have been 6 cases of locally transmitted Zika infections, compared to 285 last year.
While we certainly have fewer cases of Zika this year compared to last year, we know we must remain vigilant.
One problem these folks are trying to solve is how to speed up Zika testing.
One of the issues we had last year that Dr. Phillips can talk about is we had to send some of our tests out to, I think it was Colorado, and hopefully we won't have to do that any longer.
This year, more Zika testing is happening right here in Florida.
However, CDC has recently issued some information regarding the current testing not being as accurate as we would all have liked.
So the state is investing $25 million so universities can develop better testing. Another problem is that the mosquitoes are becoming resistant to some pesticides, forcing officials to use a different set of chemicals the bugs aren't used to. The governor hopes one day we can have a Zika vaccine. Live in Doral, Madeline Wright, Local 10 News.